Calling that a win.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is kind of an unusual video, just like my last one, in that it's unusual, not that it's similar. Behind me I have this luxurious chicken coop. It was a labor of love that my adult son did with his kids. We did it, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago. Kind of worked. Kind of worked together on it, put it together. It was a plan that you buy online. I'll leave information about it in the description. Anyway, they used it for a couple of years, and then there was kind of a change of seasons going from chicken coop to play structure. And I just didn't want to see it go away or get hauled to the dump or something bad happened to it. So I moved it here to the property, and it was mostly together, just the doors and stuff like that we took off. But anyway, the video is about how we got it here, how we put it in the spot it's in now. I still got a few little things to do yet, but it's pretty close to being ready for chickens. A little more. Perfect. We could probably go a little bit more before we do that one. Just don't want it to drop down. Okay. Yes, we're allowed to break our own pit. Probably not going to want to go very much because it's already tipping. And these are already off. Good. That's there. We'll just keep building up. Oh wait. Okay, it's all the way through. Let's make sure it's stable. Yeah, I think we're good. Back in this way. We'd have to turn it, but we would, but it would give us even more downhill's better. Down.
Watch your hand, Adam.
On 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Not quite. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, this corner is on, but we don't have it on the roller yet. So I think Michael will stay here except for you get it onto the trailer first. Yeah, and we need to slide it. 1, 2, 3. Should we just put
Whew.
okay? We'll start out. Okay?
Watch your feet.
See what happens. No. calling that a win.
So I think what I'll try to do now is try to pull out from under it.
Okay, that looked like it worked good.
So this is the back side of the coop, and it's really cool, this design, how it's set up. Like I said, I still have a few things to do, but this is your egg boxes. See my paint pan in here. Just ignore that. Uh, Egg boxes. This is basically like a food storage or tool storage, whatever you want to use it for. And I still need to put a latch on that door, but I'll probably end up storing food cans in there. So here's the front side. Cool front door, heavy duty. You can see I still have some shoring up to do. Got it mostly level. This is the front side. be the run portion of the coop. And it's really cool. It's got a little ramp in there, obviously. Just really well built, well done. Kind of hard to show off this last side because we're up against the fence on this side. But this is basically your clean out doors. I'll probably add another latch to this, but it's got your little perch in here and clean out area, and then your access for the egg boxes for the chickens. Little vents up here that are cool. And bottom of the coop, you just have some more doors down here for clean out and so on. So really cool coop. I'm looking forward to using it. I'm just glad I was able to save it, bring it here, put it to work. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a backup coop, maybe an opportunity to branch out into some pheasants or quail or different birds, or maybe I'll just use it as a starting point for a new flock. But anyway, it's here. Got a few final finishing touches to do, but that's what the video is about, and I just wanted to show it to you. So I appreciate you checking it out, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.